Hello and welcome back to Teach Me in 2. Today's video we are going to look at some of the tricks that you can use with your trackpad. So the trackpad is what you use on a Chromebook instead of your mouse. So a couple of little shortcuts with the trackpad is that if you use two fingers, set two fingers on your trackpad and scroll up and down, it will move the page for you. It will save you going over to the side here and having to drag this little bar up and down the page. You can simply use two fingers, scroll up and down, and that will let you access all the information. As well as having two fingers on your trackpad, you can also go back and forward in your web pages with two fingers by simply dragging to the right to go back or dragging to the left. Okay, so you can see we can toggle back and forward by swiping on our trackpad. Another one, we often know that a click with our trackpad means to left click, but to right click, we actually need to use two fingers on the trackpad. So two finger click will let us right click, and you see that right click menu comes up here. Okay, a one finger click will just be like a left click, but a two finger click will bring up that right click menu. One other thing that I'd like to show you is desks and how you access desks on a Chromebook with three fingers. So three fingers, and we swipe up to get our desks. Now, as you can see, we've got three desks here. We've got general, we've got maths, and we've got topic. And if we, for example, had some of the things that are mathletics and fractions, we were watching a video that was shared via Google Classroom, we can have that all open on our maths desk with using three fingers and swiping up on your trackpad, so like so. We can access then our topic. Again, three fingers, swipe up, and you can switch back to general. That's just one little tip and trick that you can use on your trackpad. There are many more, but you can access those in the shortcuts to see for yourself. I hope that was helpful. That was Teach Me in 2.